Abusia Ghana IGP eye Christian Yohonu tete one Ghana Police Command abawura menhia himfie Otumfuo na yase ayese omobotom ko ye baako eye omokwaje entete baako omokwaje nyansa ne nimude omo se koda na se efa boko ntawantawa na Otumfuo age awo solve no according to them no Otumfuo tena accept no ase asumdwe asate abaye nte se boko issue no e koso to musa koda na se aha Penyah block media meswa se ni mu obe like video na that one subscribe button sabe click the notification icon no latest update na be chere wa adwen ya ma me e wo comment se meso baso a no hye video mo nua so enya bi ahwe meso baso a no hye video mo nua so enya bi ahwe eje be kai exactly first May e no Otumfuo etena boko crisis ne so I say ofre Abdullahi Mahami a yemen pusi for leader no e no ofre Zugran na ba Azigre a won so ye kusa the for leader no edom nyina ba menhia himfi I say for the first time in history kusa sefo any man put for etun said di e wo tumfie e wo tumfo anim menhia himfie wala say omu nyina no tun said di wo table ba kon je say asumdwena na akoso eba awdo ni to form o tumfo sa tena asem no so no boko e ma news ni mu biem boko ma news ni mu bi aye say asumdwe kwansoa na omu egu no enti eno a na say Christian Yohonu tete Ghana IGP o no so there bi I don't tumfo yo say ye esa abodini enti ene ma mentum mirika enko tumfo na ase na menkwaje nimude wada se menkwaje nimude ko me police penyini me hia nimude a metime de aye adwuma ni ye ma menkwaje nimude na me zankwaje entete adwene ani nyansa na ne mensa ma otumfo about because me Christian Yohonu kura no me ko ye tu mituo bo otumfo atena manhia afro mu aye se o se wasem na asumdwe eba de a o se abaso
IGP Asantehene Mr. Yohonu on an Penyah and Omapa Otumfuo Nasi. Na IGP in Penyah eba ya. I'm not to say ye no say omeda bosi edumeko ya ni untimi ma Otumfuo Nasi. Inti ene waba aso de ne ho ba be kire neja Otumfuo na wada nase mpaebo a ode ta nechi amana bedu sa di bie ya nyame ede na ba bedu na afa nso waba besire ne nsam nhira na sire nyansa omaye futuo na ode batutu na dwume na maga na bosi edumeko no etimi apeja akonedi ebiom IGP ni Penyah baye ombese ombe kache era so omodanase Bawku mediation a was starting bambo for the boy in the brain into the dynasty. A face we IGP na brewa e film na Otumfuo anhwe sa otu eye na na ejeni ngwate e ma ne Penyah eba e disika futuro eba beja na brewa kwa IGP ani sodo into ene obaya wa mane sa kwa odensa ahodo bebre chima abuka and na brofunsa any insa hodo bebre gwanwa de so eda so na Otumfuo chia me yemfensi so IGP se fama yewura na yewura emano afa edanas me control eda wisi IGP baya ne nanti na ina commander ne Penyah de omo adedanti me yi omo na mede management board members e baaye no madane omo achwe ne di kan ye wo chief superintendent Mr. Kujo Abuaje, ono ye chief staff officer. After chief superintendent Abuaje, so ye was chief superintendent Solomon Koli, or ye IGP, the executive secretary. And no ye was DCOP, Mr. Martin and Chambium, ye was DCOP, Mr. Sebastian Achu Wemega, or ye director general ICT. Ye finish so anaya ba DCOP Mr. Eric Bawku or your Director General NAPD a National Protections Department. Ye finish so anama ba DCOP Mr. Martin Ayi Director General Research and Planning. Onwechi ye DCOP Mr. Ahin Ano Director General Special Duties. Penyah Bawku also Commissioner of Police, Mr. Peter Baba Atina, Kaijani Penyah Bawku. We finish so anaya Commissioner of Police, Mr. Idi Lansase, Director General Human Resources Welfare. Director General Welfare. Now we have Penyah Bawku so on your if you have Commissioner of Police, Mr. Michael Nketia Frupon, Director General Finance. Commissioner of Police, Alhaji Hussaini Suraji, Director General NPD, National Patrols Department. Now, Maba Commissioner of Police, Dr. Ernest Olusu, Director General Services. Tufocha Meme, ACP Grace and San Akufi, Director Public Affairs, Police Kasama. Na me patrol whether you Penyah Inspector General of Police Asantehene Mr. Christian
Thank you for allowing us to come at a short notice. but I am not a stranger in this house. I've moved with various IGPs to come and visit you. I've learned a lot from them. And now it is my time. Thank you for this. I thank you for your direction to lead me where I wish to live in my career as a police officer. I also want to ask you to say very big thank you to the President of the Republic for seeing what he has seen in me to make me and to do the Ghana Service. Monitor everything that you have done for us through service. And then coming here, the right is to come to you in Solomon to get wisdom direction so that you can be able to steer affairs of this service in Ghana. Especially Monse in Ashanti. For getting close to you, I will get to know also the challenges that people face here in terms of security. To enable me and my team to plan very well. It is our desire to make sure that as we make effort to make Accra and the whole Ghana peaceful, here in Kumasi is also so dear to our heart. So anything that will describe the peace of the citizens of this region, we have to work together. And I'm happy to say that the regional commander, the new regional commander, is working tirelessly. Recently, there was a resurface of this attack on Momo vendors, where a woman and one other person were killed by the robbers who attacked them. The president was so concerned, so before my swearing in, the president asked me that this incident which happened, we have to work tirelessly to make sure that we put it to rest. And charge the regional commander and also with assistance from the National Security Coordinator. We work as a team. I'm glad to announce to you that my officers here managed to get all those perpetrators. We have arrested them all. And though that may not be the end of it, but now we can believe that people in the Ashanti region are having relative peace as far as that crime is also concerned. A lot of arrests were made, and of which I said they should let the whole world hear what they have been doing. Their patrol teams were very effective. Last night, they made some serious arrests. But earlier on, there was an attack of one of our senior officers in his residence. And he and his team, they worked very hard to arrest those perpetrators of that crime. So I'm happy that the regional commander and his team are working very hard. But we continue to give them the support so that our dearest region, Ashanti region, which is one of the biggest regions that we can be proud of, people in this area can go about their normal duties without any crime. Your Royal Highness, your Royal Majesty, I'm making a mistake, sometimes I don't know the difference. So, recently I visited Bawku when our men were seriously attacked. There was a threat of more serious attack on their lives. When I got to Bolga, the whole place was in flames. Everywhere was burning. all our personnel where they were staying were all set on fire. And so that made me to rush to work. When I got to Bolga, the intelligence I had is that it would be difficult for me to enter. And I said, my men are already trapped there. So how can I end my journey in Bolga? What am I coming to tell my other colleagues in general? So I persevered with my team, and then we went. And we were able to talk to the Bawku Naba that he should also talk to his people to let peace prevail. Because we as security officers, in the course of doing our work, we may go wrong somewhere. And they should forgive us for what happened, so that we can continue to work together to ensure that peace comes to the general. They accepted it. I also spoke to the youth. While we were doing that, we were also hearing your preparation to come to our aid. And then just when I left there, then I also saw your quick effort. We were there when you already set a date that on so date you will start working. We are so grateful when we heard of your plan to help resolve the problem in Bawku. That brought a lot of relief to us. And so we want to say thank you very much, because the security personnel, military police and all other securities, they are very happy for your intervention. But what we want to tell you as you start is that the normal policing duties have been withdrawn. It's only the operational teams that are there, because they appear vulnerable that they could be attacked at their various homes. So we ask that all those with families, they could go back to other regions to deploy, so that we make Bawku an operational ground. And that is what we have been doing to grab the military till now. So we want to give you just a small background about the way we are operating in Bawku. One particular area is Binduri, which is we are working together with the national security so that we can look at the best way to reduce the hotness about Binduri. I say thank you so much for coming in at a time when things are very difficult for us. We working there as security officers, things are very difficult for us. That we have accepted the president's plea to you to come in. You knew what you did before, and what you and your team did for the people of Gabon. So we are very proud when we heard that you decided to step in, so that not only the people of Bawku will be safe, but we, the security personnel, who are also working there, we can also become safe. Anna, Your Majesty, I want to also say thank you. Thank you very much. We were not in the country when the formal announcement of my mom was announced to you. You witnessed it. You nominated one of the chiefs to come and with his delegation. He did very well. I was so proud to hear that even though you were not even there, asked that you should come to the representation. We have come to you, even though we have come a bit late, forgive us. We decided to come there to shake hands with you. Those who are going to be here first time, they are happy shaking hands with you. Yes, for me, I have a lot of your pictures in my room. I'm always proud watching it every time there's a chance of. So, Your Majesty, this is the reason why we have come to visit you. Even though we know we have a lot of activities during this period, we decided to accept us to meet you this afternoon. Thank you so much.
Jean. Jean. Abba, when I did before, but go to say more, but no do. And then they do all those so.
Joe.
What's your good work for woman in our in nice and it's in
Joe. Joe. Chief Commissioner said you can present
Ite no mo come de we na Otumfuo so etrum so oh odel to form no krese or started na asem no so no Bawku ntawantawa no akofom ente na o hye mu bo se obeka asem na penipu masibere ama Bawku mintima sa bede ho nyina no eto ebetwa kora ema news ni mu biem ite busia we ni ade anura no IGP Yohonu ene ne mrante ekopie mu Otumfuo ahemfie no isi ye ewo ho no kire wadwe ma me ewo comment section ha yi Penyah Block Media.